Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you all our new formal garden, our water fountain feature with the greenhouse in the background. It all is looking so beautiful. It's a project that we started last year, but we ended up finishing up just this spring. So I've compiled lots and lots of footage from last year and from this year to give you the full thing all in one video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's recap and go back in time to see how this all started. This is it for tonight. It is almost 8 o'clock at night. It's been a long, long day.
All right, tell everyone what you're doing.
Spreading mortar in the cracks of our pathway at night so we can't see what we're doing.
Here's my professional piper bag. Made from the Ziploc bag.
Morning guys. So last night was crazy. We were out here in the pitch black with nothing but one little shop light to shine on this pathway as we were pouring this mortar, or piping this mortar in between the cracks. But I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with it. This dirt is so hard and such compact clay in this hole. The water's not even draining through it at all. I had to spray it because I couldn't get my auger or my shovel through it. Well guys, I have almost all my hummels stuck. I got 2 more to go. And my husband so kindly used part of his lunch break to come and dig some of these with the tractor because, oh my word, it is so hard and so rocky. Yesterday evening, the kids and I and my husband were out here working on mulching some of this. I did capture a little bit of that on video. Got to finish mulching today, get the trailer empty, and right here with these tater tot arborvitaes, I want to go ahead and run some of my rainbird drip irrigation. Looking really good. So I took the entire winter off. We didn't do any of our gardening projects that we thought we were going to get to. We are still working on this pathway right here. I've got this circular paver area right here that we've ordered a really big 3-tiered, maybe even 4-tiered fountain, water fountain that we're gonna put here in this circle. We've got the garden furniture that's going to be facing towards the fountain, and just a lot of really good things happening. So what I'm gonna do over here, I took these 3 tater tot arborvitaes I just transplanted today and yesterday. They were on the back side of the house I had planted last year, but I think I got them too close to the actual foundation of the house and they weren't getting any rain, and we don't have drip irrigation back there, and they were just not doing well at all. So I've transplanted them over here rather than buying any. Hopefully they survive. So this area right here, again, I put the tater tot arborvitaes to carry them on from right here, and then I settled on getting these soft touch hollies that are all potted up and lining the pathway. It was this or boxwood, and we have boxwood blight here in Tennessee, so I was nervous about how well they would survive, and I had to purchase quite a few of them to line this garden, and so I was scared of just them not surviving. So this is a very sunny area as well, and so I think that the soft touch holly was probably the best choice. I hope that they will grow and form a hedge eventually, but this is what I got. They get 2 to 3 foot high, 2 to 3 foot wide. This pathway right here, we've got these paver stones that were left over from when we did our porch. And so we're carrying that same stone over here, which I think will be really good to tie it all together. I'm gonna have at least 3 rings, if not 4. And then the water fountain is gonna go right here in the center. It's 3 foot wide, so that'll give us a pretty good substantial pathway to walk around it. But then these pathways right here, I think we're just going to use some of the same pebbles that we have in the courtyard and carry it through the pathway here. That'll make that easier, I think. So this is how all of this is looking. So this is what I'm going to be working on next, getting all of my soft touch hollies in the ground so this can become a really nice formal garden area. I need to cut back the daffodils between the tater tot arborvitaes. They looked so pretty in the spring when they were blooming. But look at the roses along the house. They look so, so pretty. Our fountain is gorgeous. With the bench over here. Love this view. My window boxes, I planted out some pink and purple petunias. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and checking out this whole new formal garden addition that we put in. We are loving it so much, and the garden is always evolving and changing, and new ideas are coming to mind. So I'm sure we will have so much more for you guys in the future, and we will see you next time. Happy gardening.